Are you looking to boost your e-commerce site's performance? Wondering if dedicated server hosting for Magento 2 is the right move? Let's dive into why dedicated hosting for Magento 2 is a smart choice. Dedicated server hosting gives you full control of an entire server. It's a reliable, secure, and scalable solution, especially suited for large-scale e-commerce sites. This hosting type allows for customization to meet specific needs, ensuring consistent performance. Magento 2 requires certain system specifications for dedicated server hosting. These include a high-performance CPU, ample RAM, SSD storage, and sufficient bandwidth. The operating system should be compatible with Magento 2, and web servers like Apache, Nginx, or Lightspeed are necessary. For databases, servers like MySQL or MariaDB with an InnoDB storage engine are used. It's essential to have PHP 7.4 or higher, an SSL certificate for secure transactions, and robust security measures. Backups and recovery plans are crucial to protecting your data. Migration to dedicated hosting involves selecting the right hosting provider. Secure your website data through backups and customizing server configurations as per your requirements. After migration, ensure DNS settings are updated and conduct thorough testing for any issues. However, dedicated server hosting poses challenges that include higher costs, need for technical expertise, server management tasks, scalability concerns, security risks, possibilities of hardware failure, network connectivity issues. To overcome these challenges, one must manage costs effectively, increase technical know-how, automate server management tasks, plan for scalable resources, implement strict security measures, have hardware redundancy, and choose a hosting provider with strong network connectivity. Managed Magento hosting provides a viable alternative by offering expert support and taking care of server management tasks, allowing you to focus on your e-commerce business. Managed hosting ensures scalability, security, and high availability, and includes managed backups and disaster recovery solutions. It can be particularly beneficial for businesses looking for hassle-free server operations. There are various types of dedicated hosting, including website and application servers. Understand the differences between dedicated server hosting and VPS hosting, which shares resources among multiple users. Familiarize yourself with the 4 common types of web hosting and research the best providers for dedicated hosting. That wraps up our guide on dedicated server hosting for Magento 2. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and share our video to help others.